My lord, the trial court has awarded maintenance of 20,000 to the respondent number 1 because there is an evidence to show that she is an employee and she is the income tax payee. I have to pay, I have been paying EMI of rupees 65,000 per month. I restrict my relief with respect to the stay of arrears, my lord, because
What is the 25% of that amount from for the arrears?
my lord, I am preparing for petitioner. My lord, the petitioner is the respondent before the trial court. Respondent number 1 is the wife and respondent number 2 is the son of petitioner. The respondents have filed a petition under section 125 CRPC seeking for grant of maintenance of rupees 45,000. They have also filed an IA, that is IA number 2, seeking for grant of interim maintenance of 45,000. My lord, the trial court has awarded maintenance of 20,000 to the respondent number 1 by virtue of its order dated 17/10/2023 at Annex D. So far respondent number 2 is concerned, it has awarded rupees 20,000, my lord. So, it has not awarded any maintenance amount to respondent number 1 because there is an evidence to show that she is an employee and she is the income tax payee. My lord, now it has come in the impugned order itself that I have to pay, I have been paying EMI of rupees 65,000 per month towards the loan, which has been
When is the date of order? Date of order.
Date of order is 17/10/2023, my lord.
Date of that petition for maintenance.
Petition was filed. Petition has been filed on in the month of February 2019.
2019.
Of 2019. February 2019. Order has been passed on 17/10/2003. And my lord, at present, I go on paying the maintenance of 20,000 to the respondent number 2. I have been paying. I undertake to pay. I go on paying. But my at this stage, I restrict my relief with respect to the stay of arrears, my lord, because the order has been passed from the date of the petition, my lord, and I am having
You
parents.
have to pay something towards arrears.
Oh, my lord, I fairly submit 25% of that amount, maybe in respect of 75%.
What is the 25% of that amount?
50, my lord.
What is the 25% of that amount from for the arrears?
It comes to 11,20,000 towards 56 months. 11,20,000. It comes nearly 25%. It comes nearly.
Then pay 4 lakhs. Pay 4 lakhs first.
3 lakhs. And that may be, but there may be an order to deposit in the name of respondent number 2, my lord, not in the name of respondent number 1, because respondent number 2 is my son.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that the court has granted a maintenance of an amount of rupees 20,000, and he has been continuously paying. As far as the arrears are concerned, as it runs into crores or lakhs of rupees, it would be difficult for the petitioner to pay. Hence, they shall be stay of all further proceedings on the condition that he shall continue to pay 20,000 per month as directed by the court, and he shall deposit an amount of rupees 4 lakhs towards arrears within 4 weeks from today. Same, if that or this is not complied, and he shall take out notice on the counsel appearing before the court below and
Yes.
file a memo to that effect by 29, and same, it should come up on 18th.
In the name of respondent number 2, my lord. I may be
It shall be deposited in the name of respondent number 2.
great.